In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the square root of a number using Microsoft Excel. Whether you're working on complex data analysis or simply trying to solve a math problem, knowing how to calculate a square root in Excel can certainly make your job a whole lot easier. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. Once you have your spreadsheet open and ready, the next step is to utilize Excel's built-in square root function. This function is efficient and straightforward, making it perfect for calculating square roots without any fuss. Begin by selecting the cell where you would like the result or answer to appear. For this example, we'll go with cell B2. Left-click on cell B2, and your cursor should now be blinking inside it, ready for you to start typing. Now let's begin typing in the formula. Start off with the equal sign equals. This symbol is crucial as it tells Excel that you're about to input a formula and not just text or numbers. Next, type in the letters SQ. As you do this, you'll notice that a drop-down list of functions appears below the cell. Excel helpfully predicts the function you're attempting to use. In this list, you'll see the function sqrt, which stands for square root. Using your mouse, left double-click on the sqrt function. This will insert it into your formula and indicate to Excel that you wish to use the square root function. You'll now notice that Excel prompts you to input the number or cell reference you want to find the square root of within parentheses. For this example, let's say you want to calculate the square root of a value residing in cell A2. So click on cell A2 where your number is already located. Doing so will automatically insert A2 into the formula in cell B2. Once you've done that, it's time to close the function with a right parenthesis or tia to signify the end of the input. This step is critical as it completes the formula structure, allowing Excel to process what you're asking it to do effectively. Finally, with your formula fully entered and looking something like this, sqrt A2, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do, Excel will diligently calculate and display the square root of the number in cell A2, right in cell B2 where you initially began. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you've successfully calculated the square root of a number in Excel. This method can be repeated for any cell or range of cells that contains the numbers you wish to analyze. Keep practicing this technique, and before you know it, you'll be handling your data with even greater confidence and precision. Thanks for tuning in, and happy calculating.